Let us have the joy of programming. In this video, we are going to develop a calculator to find the area of a triangle. The basic formula to calculate the area of a triangle is half BH. Now let us check what are the different steps to be given to the Python to perform this task. Now we can write the corresponding Python statements. Now let us go through this program. First, to obtain the value base from the user, that can be done by using which statement? Base is equal to float in bracket input, another bracket, enter the value of base, the bracket of input is closed and the bracket of float is closed. Here the method input is used to obtain the data from the user, and input takes a parameter, enter the value of a base, which is the prompt, a message to the user. So this message will be displayed on the screen and the cursor waits for the input from the user. The user inputs the data and that data is of type string. So string data cannot be used for the calculation, so it should be converted to float. And that can be done by which method? Float method. So float bracket is open and inside the bracket a string value is given. From where we get the string value? From the input method. So input method returns a string value and that string value is taken from the user, which will be converted by using float, and that data will be assigned to the variable base. And the next step, obtaining the height from the user, again the same process, obtaining. So obtaining is always done by which method? Input method. And input method always takes a parameter prompt, which is optional. Even if you are not giving the message, it will work. But giving message is good. That means we are providing a message to the user what to be entered. And that data is taken and which is of type string. And it will be converted by using which method? Float, since height can be of type float. So base and height are obtained from the user, and using those values we process the statement half into base into height. And the calculated value is stored in which variable? Area. How we store that value? By using which operator? Assignment operator. And now the area is calculated and it is stored in which variable? The variable area. So this area is going to be displayed. So display can be done by which method? Print method. And print method takes a parameter what to be printed. And here I want to print the message area of the triangle along with the value which is calculated in this statement. And that calculated value is stored in area and that variable is used here. The message is enclosed in double quotes, then comma, the variable name is given here. Now let us check how it works. Enter the value of base. Here I am giving the message 10.2. So the base value is given. Then the height, I am giving the height as 5.1. So here the area will be calculated. Area of the triangle is 26.00999 etc. It can be formatted. Later we will study how to be. Here the calculated value is printed. Now we will check the output of the program with another set of input values. Again running the program. Enter the value of base. Here I am giving the value as 10. Enter the height, giving the height as, let it be 20. And now look at the output. Area of the triangle is 100. So let us check the program once more. Here is the program. Hope it is clear. Thank you.